Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the weekly financial review on Insta TV. Last Friday, the US stock market was on a positive wave. Shares of Apple soaring by 3% supported the Dow Jones and Nasdaq indices. The Nasdaq Composite gained 1.3% to close at 5,005.39, but ended the week with a 1.7% loss, mostly due to a large sell-off in biotechnology industry. The Dow Jones Industrial Average jumped by 1% to the level of 18,024.06, but posted a 0.3% loss over the week. Shares of Apple led the gainers, while Chevron and Visa lost ground. The S&P 500 closed 1.1% higher at 2,108.29, but finished the week 0.4% lower. Shares of Expedia showed the largest increase. All sectors finished the trading day in the green zone. The sectors of basic materials and healthcare were among the leaders. US stocks ended higher in April. Hopes for stable growth of the US economy fueled the benchmark indices. A report from the Institute for Supply Management released on Friday unveiled that purchasing managers' activity was stable for the first time after a 5-month slowdown. The ISM Manufacturing Index remained at the level of 51.5 in April, the same as in March. The unemployment rate is of the greatest importance to the timing of interest rate hike. On Thursday, another report showed the number of jobless claims fell to 262,000, and this is the lowest weekly jump in 15 years. Moreover, traders were encouraged by statements of some Fed's officials who publicly expressed implicit confidence in the raising of interest rates in 2015. Shares of LinkedIn Corporation slumped by 19% after the professional networking company late Thursday issued a profit forecast well below Wall Street estimates. The company forecast adjusted earnings of 28 cents for the second quarter and $1.90 for the year. At the same time, Expedia Incorporated said its first quarter revenue grew a bigger than expected 14% amid strong growth at its namesake and Hotels.com brand. Revenue rose by 14% to $1.37 billion, topping the $1.35 billion projected by analysts polled by Thomson Reuters. For the first quarter, Expedia swung to a profit of $44.1 million, or 34 cents a share, from a year-earlier loss of $14.3 million, or 11 cents a share. The company's shares are up by 10% so far this year. But the main intrigue of the last week was a sharp drop in shares of Twitter seen on Tuesday. Twitter's market value fell by a fifth, or about $5 billion, after its disappointing first quarter results were released. And this was the weekly review of financial markets prepared for you by Insta TV team. See you next week. Bye.